So I came across your website, and there are a lot of things we can read here. Yes, and informations are here, but the most important is the phone number a client would look for if they need your assistance or anything else. Yes, and so now let's take a look at what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. This is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number 5. You are number 5 right here on top in the middle, around. I mean, this is your Google profile location. Around that, it drops off quickly down here. And one of the suggestions we are giving business owners right now is to put another profile and another website and another corner of the city right here. And if you want to grow into. Now let us take a quick look to see how you are ranking. Like I said, I'm gonna show it to you. M O there. Oh man, can. Oh, let's find another word. That is find it there. It's so far. So you are here. So you can see you are at the 114. Yes, this is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are the companies who are also giving the same service as you do. So what we are thinking or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs and more work to do. So if you have any inquiries or suggestions or interested, if you're interested, please let us know and we're happy to assist you. Thank you.